Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light assembly on this 2003 Lexus ES300. And as always, you can check the links below the video for any tools or supplies that may assist you in completing this repair. So you could do this job by getting underneath and unbolting the cover far enough to get your hands in there to unbolt the light. I am going to lift the vehicle up just to make it easier and to get better angle of filming what exactly I'm doing there. So depending on which side fog light you're replacing, you can remove either this cover or this cover, just held on with 10mm head screws and some clips. Sometimes these clips are old and brittle, so they break. We'll just need to make sure to replace them afterwards. Disconnect the connector by squeezing the little tab. This is the tab you gotta squeeze and then just pull it down. Remove the 10mm head bolt. And then you have this little tab right there that you're gonna have to squeeze, and you'll be able to get the fog light assembly out. To reinstall it, simply reinsert it back into the opening and push until that clip engages, like that. Reinstall the little 10mm head bolt. The torque spec on these little ones is usually around 4 foot-pounds. I don't think they give you one for this, but just don't go crazy on it. Tighten it a little bit by hand. Don't hit it with a gun. And then plug in the connector. If you need to adjust the aim up and down, use a Phillips screwdriver. Insert it in here where the little wheel is. And then you just turn it one way or the other with the lights on, and you will see the beam moving up and down. So level it off to the other fog light, and then you're good to go. And you can reinstall the cover back on. Now we can reinstall the splash shields that were removed originally, and replace any broken clips with new ones if some broke during removal. And then put all the screws in, and they just go into plastic grommets here, so don't tighten them too much. All right, that's good. There you go. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Lexus ES maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.